at BuzzFeed, affiliate is increasingly becoming a meaningful part of our business. In the past 3 years, since 2016, we've seen a 10x growth in our affiliate business. What that means for us typically is some of the shopping content that you might see that are product roundups or product reviews, where we're featuring a product, linking to a retailer, and when a consumer purchases, we earn a commission on that sale. Part of why we're seeing that success is what affiliate unveils for us is new data points around what our consumers are not only reading, but what retailers are actually clicking on and what they're purchasing. And we use that data to then drive our content strategy. And from that, we've essentially developed a content team who's focused on creating shopping content that continues to move sales for a lot of our partners. So this year, we're really focused on what is Affiliate 2.0. Again, historically for us, it has been a lot of those shopping content roundups. So we took a look at our portfolio. So we have a huge portfolio of brands that focus on specific niche verticals. The biggest one being Tasty, which some people don't realize is actually a BuzzFeed brand. Goodful is our health and wellness brand. Bring Me is our travel brand. A lot of these verticals live on Facebook and are kind of Facebook-first properties that have now expanded to be O&O properties. So the one that we really thought was the big opportunity was Tasty. Many of you know it. It's kind of the top-down recipe videos that you see on Facebook. We currently have 2.1 billion monthly views across our Tasty platforms. Two out of 3 of our Tasty users are actually making a Tasty recipe at home, and we're currently the #1 content publisher on Facebook. So we knew there was a big opportunity here to capitalize on what we own in the cooking space to drive affiliate and commerce for one of our big partners.